here I have Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'm going to show you how to enable front camera mirroring effect on this device and also how you can disable it. So firstly, let's open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have an option save selfies as previewed. So when you have it enabled, you will save selfie like this, and when you have it disabled, you will save it like this. So as you can see, these photos, they are like mirrored, yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.